Hello again, your friendly doctor of natural health here. The word natural plays an incredibly important role in our world of natural hygiene. I don't know about you, but I find the natural world endlessly fascinating, even mystical. The way everything is so intricately connected and perfectly designed is quite frankly mind-blowing. The shapes, the colors, the scents, the incredible diversity of life, it's all a breathtaking symphony of balance. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Balance. Most people understand that balance is essential. It keeps chaos at bay in our physical world. But an often overlooked part of this harmony lies in the dietary lifestyles of all living creatures. Every animal, from the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, has a specific nutritional pattern. Each nourishes itself with the foods nature has designed specifically for it, in their raw, unprocessed, natural state. This creates a remarkable display of equilibrium. It's not just about maintaining balanced populations, it's also about preserving a sustainable, manageable environment. Without this balance, natural resources would be depleted and species would overpopulate. In short, chaos would reign. Every creature has its own instinctive way of hunting and eating. Some feed solely on other animals, some only on plants, while others, like humans, follow a more omnivorous path. However, both animals and humans have shown unnatural eating behaviors when forced to adapt to environmental or territorial changes. When survival is at stake, living beings often consume foods not intended for their natural digestive systems. Take animals in captivity, for instance, zoo animals. A lion's natural hunting instincts are dulled, even erased. It eats only what its caretakers provide. Yes, it still consumes meat, but in the wild, it would also ingest other vital nutrients from its prey, nutrients that are now missing. It's unnatural, and in many ways, it's quite tragic. The same can be said for us lovely humans. We've moved far from our natural habitats, and over time have adapted to foods that were never meant for us. These foods have become everyday staples. Yet one only needs to look at our collective state of health to realize something is deeply out of balance. For decades, debates have raged about what humans are truly meant to eat. But when we observe the physical design of our bodies, our teeth, our digestive system, our instincts, it becomes clear that we've strayed from our natural path. In our fast-paced modern world, we tend to eat more for pleasure than for nourishment. No one is entirely to blame, except perhaps the food industry, with its relentless advertising campaigns. As I've mentioned before, they created the addiction and then conveniently supplied the drug, processed food. To make real change, we must first understand how we arrived here and recognize that this way of living isn't right. Only then can we begin to restore balance. When you have a decent dose of self-love and care for the planet, you'll discover a powerful motivation to transform your habits and return to what is truly natural. That's all for today, dear listener. I hope I've opened your eyes, even just a little, to see how we've become prisoners of our own taste buds and why it's so important that we break free. Have a beautiful, healthy day. Thank you.